tail light and the Highlander is not working. The blinker works and the reverse light works, but that light bulb was out. Put the tailgate up, a little slot here. Carefully pry it so you don't scratch anything. Start pulling down easily. There we go. See the little yellow clips, and then it'll go back in this end here. Go back in like that and snap in. I turned the car on accessory and you can see the bulbs going on. Not on, like you can see that one's on. So just this top one should be on. That's a backup light. So when we look in here, make sure we get the top bulb. So it'll be furthest this way, so it's this one. Turn it left, pops out a little bulb. There we go. Toyota listed this as a 5D bulb. Oreilly didn't have 5D, and then there were a couple that looked like it matched, and they had, like, for this vehicle, 20 different bulbs listed in their computer, so hopefully this is it. Gonna hold the bulb with a paper towel so we don't get grease on it. You can see the little hole in there. The bulb just slides in this direction from left to right. It turned on immediately. Yeah, turn it all the way back to the left, push it in, and you should feel it just lock in there. There it goes, click. And it's working. Let's put this back on with these little clamps on the back. Push, push, knock. Here we go. You know what they say, you change one bulb, you might as well change the other.